welcome to our exciting wildlife shadow adventure. Today, we're going to discover amazing wild animals just by looking at their shadows. Are you ready to become shadow detectives? Let's begin. First up, this shadow shows a striped hunter with powerful muscles and razor-sharp claws. It's known as the king of the jungle, but actually lives in grasslands. What animal could this be? Tiger! Did you know tigers are amazing swimmers? Unlike most cats, they love splashing in water to cool down and can swim up to 6 kilometers. Next question. This tall shadow has an incredibly long neck that reaches high into the trees. It has spotted patterns and can grow up to 18 feet tall. Which gentle giant is this? This giraffe. Here's something cool. Giraffes only need 30 minutes to 2 hours of sleep per day. They often take quick naps while standing up. Moving on, this shadow shows a massive gray animal with huge fin-like ears and a long trunk. It's known for its incredible memory and strong family bonds. What animal is this? Elephant. Elephants are the gentle giants of Africa. Baby elephants suck their trunks, just like human babies suck their thumbs for comfort. Check this out. This shadow shows a spotted big cat with incredibly strong jaw muscles. It's an excellent climber and can drag prey twice its weight up into trees. Which powerful hunter is this? This is Leopard. Leopards are the ultimate hide-and-seek champions. Their spotted coat helps them disappear so well that they're called ghost cats. Here's another. This shadow displays a creature with powerful hind legs built for hopping and a long tail for balance. It carries its babies in a special pouch. What bouncing friend is this? Kangaroo! Kangaroos are nature's boxers. They can't walk backwards and use their strong tail like a chair to sit and rest during fights. Finally, this shadow shows a majestic bird with enormous wings spread wide. It soars high in the sky and has incredibly sharp eyesight that can spot prey from miles away. Which sky ruler is this? Eagle. Eagles have superpowers. Their eyes are 8 times sharper than human eyes. They spot a rabbit from 2 miles away while flying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.